If you're experiencing an installation loop with League of Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and successfully install the game. Step 1. Uninstall existing installation. Begin by completely uninstalling any existing League of Legends files from your computer. Go to your control panel, find League of Legends in the list of programs, and select Uninstall. Make sure to delete any leftover files in the installation directory. Step 2. Clear temporary files. After uninstalling, clear your system of temporary files that may interfere with the new installation. Use the disk cleanup tool on Windows or manually delete files from the temp folder by typing %temp% in the Run dialog. Step 3. Download the latest installer. Visit the official League of Legends website and download the latest version of the game installer. Ensure that you are downloading the correct version for your region to avoid compatibility issues. Step 4. Run the installer as administrator. Locate the downloaded install file, right-click on it, and select Run as administrator. This step ensures that the installer has the necessary permissions to make changes to your system and can help prevent installation errors. Step 5. Follow installation prompts. Carefully follow the prompts provided by the installer. Choose your installation directory and any additional options as needed. Once the installation is complete, launch the game to verify that it is working correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing League of Legends. If issues persist, consider checking the support forums or contacting customer support for further assistance.